Good morning, everybody. It's election day. And you know what? In this moment, all Americans can come together as we are all just sitting here going, shit, I hope this person doesn't win. Shit, we're all fucked. Shit, fucking shit. I'm going to have some comments. Too many cusses. I'm sorry. This is a family show. Now, let's do a quick update on Bitcoin's chart. It is November 5th. So where the day ended yesterday is we ended the day actually with a daily candle close. I don't know what my finger's not showing up, but a daily candle close below the 21-day exponential moving average. And where we are today with 11 and a half hours to go is we are trying to come up and get above the 12-day exponential moving average as well as our previous bull cycle's all-time high. I do not expect us to get above that. In fact, what I expect us to happen, as I've been saying for the past 3 or so days, is for us to come down to the 55-day exponential moving average and or this top line of our bull flag at roughly $66,000. And when we take a look at the daily stochastic RSI on the spot chart, it does tell us we are in totally oversold territory. So maybe this will actually hold, but I don't think so. And that becomes clear when you look at two other charts. The first of which here is the futures market for Bitcoin. And as you can see, the daily stochastic RSI is not in totally oversold territory yet. You can see that the orange line is not out of this, grayed out area, which means that the spot market will probably remain, the last chart will remain in oversold territory for a little while longer. And a sell-off, an additional sell-off is more than likely going to happen as we do get the eventual news release about the US election. And the other chart for us to look at is the S&P 500, which you can see here. Now, if you do zoom in on the 1 hour time frame, you can't see it here because this is the daily chart, but this white box is a gap and gaps do tend to get filled. And this gap is really close to our current price action. This gap also fits perfectly with the previous all-time high that the S&P 500 had back in July. So this is a really key area. It's 5,666 just about, if you're familiar with looking at the S&P 500 values. It's right there. That would be a key area of support. Now, I do expect us to hold that and then come up and fill this gap we have on the daily chart after the dust settles from the US election. And I do think we will pick up because I believe we will be getting interest rate cuts by the Fed on Thursday of this week, which will create a more friendly environment for risk on assets to continue higher. And when we take a look at what the spot Bitcoin ETF products did the other day, we can see that the hedge funds were certainly at play with their short-term Bitcoin positions, with outflows pretty much entirely across the board here, with a total outflow of $541.1 million worth of outflows. If you're unfamiliar with what I mean by the hedge funds were at play with their short-term positions, is hedge funds will buy spot positions in Bitcoin, allow the value in their Bitcoin position to go up. Then they will go to the CME, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, which is the largest futures market in the world. They will open up a short on Bitcoin. They will then sell their spot Bitcoin, which is in profit, and make money. And then the price of Bitcoin will go down. And then their short position also makes money. Hedge funds play in the ETF products other than BlackRock, which is at that zero mark. For the most part, they play with the others, in particular Grayscale, which you can see here at $89.5 million of outflows, even though that wasn't the biggest one from yesterday. But that is the update for the day. Hope you have a good day. Go out and vote. No matter who you vote for, make sure you are doing your American civil duty. Have a good day. Do good things. Be good people. Make a bunch of money.